If you're a homeowner in Ferndale thinking about upgrading your windows, you're not alone. Many people in the area are turning to replacement windows to improve the look, comfort, and efficiency of their homes. Whether your current windows are drafty, outdated, or hard to open, replacing them can make a big difference. Here are some of the top benefits Ferndale homeowners can expect from investing in new windows. Lower energy bills. One of the biggest reasons homeowners replace their windows is to improve energy efficiency. Older windows often let in drafts or allow your heated or cooled air to escape, which means your HVAC system has to work harder. Modern replacement windows are built with energy-saving features like double or triple pane glass, gas fills, and advanced seals that help keep your home comfortable year-round. Over time, this can lead to noticeable savings on your monthly energy bills. Improved comfort. Ferndale experiences all 4 seasons, which means your home needs to be ready for both hot summers and cold winters. Drafty or poorly sealed windows can cause cold spots near the glass in winter or make it harder to cool your home in summer. Replacement windows are designed to maintain a more consistent indoor temperature, making your living space more comfortable no matter the weather outside. Boost in curb appeal. New windows can completely change the look of your home. If your current windows are worn out, faded, or no longer match your home's style, replacements can give your house a fresh and updated appearance. There are many window styles, frame materials, and finishes to choose from, so you can pick something that fits your taste and complements your home's design. Increased home value. Upgrading your windows is a smart investment, especially if you're thinking about selling your home in the future. Homebuyers in Ferndale often look for properties that are energy efficient and move-in ready. New windows can be a major selling point and may even increase the value of your home. Even if you're not selling soon, it's nice to know your investment adds to your home's long-term value. Less noise from outside. Ferndale is a lively area with plenty going on. Whether you live near busy roads or just want more peace and quiet inside your home, replacement windows can help reduce outside noise. Many modern windows are designed with soundproofing in mind, using thicker glass and insulated frames to block out unwanted noise. This makes for a quieter, more relaxing home environment. Easier maintenance. Older windows can be a pain to clean and maintain, especially if they don't tilt in or have warped frames. Newer window designs make it much easier to clean both the inside and outside of the glass, and materials like vinyl or fiberglass require far less upkeep than wood. That means less time spent on chores and more time enjoying your home. Better security. Security is always a concern for homeowners, and older windows with weak frames or faulty locks can be a risk. Replacement windows often come with improved locking systems and more durable materials that make it harder for intruders to break in. This gives you greater peace of mind when it comes to protecting your family and your property. Getting replacement windows in Ferndale is more than just a home improvement project, it's an investment in your home's future. From saving money on energy bills to enhancing comfort and safety, the benefits are hard to ignore. If your current windows are showing their age, now might be the perfect time to explore your options and see how much better your home can be with new windows.